Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab ghee roast step by step. Start by cleaning and cutting the crab, then marinate with tamarind, chili, and salt. Heat ghee until fragrant and temper mustard seeds, curry leaves, and ground spices to build a deep masala. Add the crab, coat well, cover and roast for 8–10 minutes until cooked through, then finish with lemon and cilantro. Serve hot with rice or dosa. Measure spices and prepare ingredients before you start. It saves time and prevents overcooking. You will need fresh crab, 4 tablespoons ghee, tamarind paste, red chili, coriander, cumin, and curry leaves. Toast and grind whole spices to a coarse powder to bring out aroma. Keep lemon and cilantro ready to brighten the dish at the end. Prep a clean work surface, a sharp knife, and a heavy pan for confident cooking. Quick pause: if you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes. Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun recommendation tied to today's cooking mood. I've placed the product link and other deals in the description, so check there for details and savings. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Heat ghee and temper mustard seeds and curry leaves, then add onions and cook until translucent. Add the spice paste, fry until oil separates, then add marinated crab and toss to coat evenly. Cover and roast for 8–10 minutes, stirring once so the crab cooks through and absorbs the masala flavors. Finish with lemon juice and cilantro, adjust salt, and serve hot with rice or bread. Enjoy balancing heat and tang for a memorable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.